Valentine's Day is all about celebrating love, and honestly, nothing says I love you better than homemade desserts. So today we're sharing two strawberry forward Valentine's specials, a no-bake strawberry tart and a soft strawberry muffins. Let's get started with the no-bake strawberry tart. First, we'll prepare the base. For this, add your biscuits to a mixer grinder and grind them into a fine powder. Now transfer this to a bowl and add melted butter. Give it a really good mix. This is going to be the foundation of our tarts. Now we're using loose bottom tart tins, which makes demolding super easy later. Now add the biscuit mixture into the tins and spread it evenly. Now take a glass with a flat bottom and gently press the crumbs down. This helps compact the base nicely. Once the base is set, use your fingers to press the mixture along the edges. As you can see, the tart shell is already taking shape. Now prepare the second tin the same way. Now refrigerate these for 30 minutes until the base sets well. Now for the compote, heat a pan and add fresh strawberries directly to it. Next goes in some sugar. Now cook this on low heat. You'll notice the sugar melting and the strawberries releasing their juices. The idea here is to cook them just until they turn soft and slightly mushy. Once they reach that stage, add a little lemon juice. This balances the sweetness beautifully. Now cook it for just a couple of minutes more until it thickens slightly. That's it, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. Now for the filling, take cream cheese in a bowl and whisk it until it turns smooth and creamy. Add icing sugar and whisk again until well combined. To make it rich and airy, add fresh whipped cream. Now gently fold this in, be careful not to overmix. Now comes the star ingredient, strawberries. Fold them in gently and the filling is ready. Now transfer this mixture into a piping bag. Before assembling, here's a little demolding trick. Place the tart tin on top of a glass with some height and gently slide the outer ring down. Perfectly shaped tart cells, no cracks, no stress. Now pipe the filling generously into the tart base, garnish with fresh berries. Now we're adding blueberries and a little rosemary for freshness and aroma. Now let's move on to something soft, comforting and equally romantic. Strawberry muffins. Now to prepare the muffin batter, in a bowl, add strawberry puree, olive oil, suji, powdered sugar, almond flour, baking powder and vinegar. Whisk everything together until you get a smooth, lump-free batter. Now let the batter rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Now transfer the batter into a greased muffin mold and gently tap it to spread evenly. Now bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. While the muffins bake, let's prepare the frosting. Whisk together fresh cream, corn flour, ghee, agar-agar and sugar until smooth and light. Once the muffins are baked, gently demold them and let them cool completely. Now top them with the prepared cream frosting and garnish with fresh strawberries and a mint sprig. And that's it. Two strawberry desserts that are perfect for Valentine's Day, whether you're celebrating with someone special or treating yourself. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.